Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wished your Google Drive could work hand in hand with your Spotify account, today's your lucky day. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to connect Google Drive to Spotify using Zapier. This method is perfect for automating tasks like syncing new files or triggering playlists. And the best part, you don't need any coding skills. Stick with me until the end because I'll share a pro tip to make your integration even smoother. Access Zapier. First, open your browser and go to the Zapier website. If you don't already have an account, sign up. It's free to start. Zapier is a tool that connects your favorite apps together, and that's exactly what we'll use to link Google Drive with Spotify. Create a new Zap. Once you're logged in, click the Create button at the top and choose Zaps. Think of a Zap as an automated workflow that tells two apps how to interact. Define the integration. In the Copilot message box, type Connect Google Drive and Spotify. Zapier will instantly recognize what you're trying to do and suggest the steps you need. Add all steps. Click on Add all steps to Zap. This permits Zapier to create a pre-structured workflow where you can customize triggers and actions. Set the trigger event, Google Drive. Next, let's set the trigger. This is the event in Google Drive that will kick off the automation. For example, you might choose New File Uploaded, sign into your Google Drive account, and give Zapier access. Once that's done, test the trigger to make sure it's working correctly. Set the action event, Spotify. Now choose Spotify as the action app. This is where you decide what happens when the Google Drive trigger is activated. For instance, you might want a song added to a specific playlist, log into your Spotify account, configure the action, and then run a quick test to ensure it performs as expected. Publish the Zap. Once everything is set and tested, hit Publish. Congratulations! Your Google Drive and Spotify are now connected. From now on, every time your trigger event occurs in Google Drive, Spotify will automatically respond based on your setup. And that's it. Your Google Drive and Spotify are now working together effortlessly. This integration is a game changer if you want to automate your workflow or keep your playlists updated without lifting a finger. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more automation hacks, and drop a comment if you have any questions or want me to cover more Zapier integrations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.